Originally, I just typed up work instructions, took pictures of what I was building as I went, and those were our instructions. Now, with SOLIDWORKS and with 3D experience, we're able to have much more refined, exploded drawings, and then we're able to edit those way quicker, implement them into production, and it's a way easier to read format as well. We quite frequently share information to external stakeholders, suppliers. We're sending them not only our 3D data, but our 2D drawings, also just ongoing continuous improvement. We're sharing parts back and forth consistently. So the 3D data would be for the suppliers to actually produce our parts, but then the 2D drawings go to our suppliers to supplement the 3D model. And then they as well go to an engineering firm that supports our engineering change processes because our engineering team in-house is quite small. So we utilize the ability to send this data to kind of amplify our workforce. Just like you or I need to custom fit our own bike, so do our customers. And so we've used this tool consistently with our customers that have more specific requirements without the need of bringing them into our shop directly. We can now send that data to the customer in their own home, even have them log in and tell us what would work for them to truly use the bike how it's meant to be. I don't want to imagine not using 3D experience. It's just enabled us to amplify our workforce and continually innovate at the rate that we come up with these ideas. We're able to keep pushing them through the platform and keep these projects going because of all of the help and how quickly we're able to send this data and receive it. Not having to take the time that it takes to email, revise that email, explain the email because somebody got confused. Can't imagine a world without 3D experience right now.